What if your spreadsheets could automatically pull data from your favorite tools, build their own dashboards, and even text you when your numbers change? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Coefficient, an AI-powered data connector for Google Sheets and Excel that promises to bring agentic analytics directly into your spreadsheets. If you've ever spent hours manually exporting CSVs from Salesforce, HubSpot, QuickBooks, or Snowflake, Coefficient wants to end that pain forever. Essentially, Coefficient connects your spreadsheet to over 150 different integrations. Once connected, it keeps your data in sync in real time. It features an import agent to pull data in, an API agent to build custom integrations from scratch for niche internal tools, and even a browser agent that can scrape data directly from websites without an API. But it doesn't stop at just importing. Coefficient includes an AI Sheets assistant that cleans messy data, writes formulas, builds pivot tables, and formats your cells automatically. On top of that, their dashboard agent can instantly generate BI tool quality dashboards, while their monitoring agent watches your numbers and alerts you the second a specific condition is met. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. To be completely transparent, we don't have a database of external user reviews or third-party ratings to share with you in our research today. However, looking strictly at the platform's capabilities, the obvious pros are the sheer number of integrations and the powerful AI automation that replaces tedious manual tasks. On the flip side, because we don't have a large pool of independent user feedback on hand, it's hard to say how it holds up with extremely massive datasets or highly complex custom API setups without trying it yourself. Overall, if you are a spreadsheet lover in finance, marketing, or operations who wants to save hours of manual reporting, Coefficient looks incredibly promising. It's free to start building, and you don't even need a credit card to try it out. Have you used Coefficient yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.